So, the day has arrived. You're almost there. You nervous? Well, you know what to do, right? Oh, okay. Let's go over this one more time.
Welcome to the party, pal. I'm Daryl, and I'm here to help you calm your nerves without the bottle of Jack. So this time around, we're going to look at steps you can take to calm your nerves immediately before your presentation. And if you missed our last video on steps you can take in the lead up to your presentation, you can check it out in the info card up above. Number 1, practice deep breathing. Adrenaline causes your breath to shallow. If you slow down and you take deep breaths, your brain gets more oxygen, and you also trick your body into believing that you are much calmer than you were before. It can also help to reduce voice quivers. Number 2, drink water. Sip, don't gulp the water. Adrenaline can cause dry mouth, which can also lead to tongue tie, which is something that we've addressed in a previous video you can find up here. Number 3, chew gum. Research has shown that chewing gum can increase alertness and reduce anxiety. Just make sure to spit it out before the class. Unless you brought some for everybody else, of course. Number 4, use visualization techniques. Imagine yourself already delivering to an audience that is enthused, energetic, and engaged. Cement this idea in your head and keep coming back to it before your presentation. It'll really help you to calm your nerves down. Number 5, use self-massage. It sounds really strange at first, but it's something that we already instinctively do to calm ourselves. You'll run your fingers through your hair, you'll rub the back of your neck, your forearms, your wrists, whatever the case may be. It is something that we do instinctively to prepare ourselves and calm ourselves before something that we have to do. So use self-massage carefully and privately. Very privately in some cases. So guys, in the comments below, which of these tips are you going to use or try out before your next presentation? If you like this content, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you can get the rest of the videos from this particular series on nervousness. We'll link the original ones up above, down below, and we'll also put the playlist together for you too. Number 3, chew gum. Research has shown that chewing gum... Number 3, chew gum. Number 3, chew gum. Research has shown that chewing gum can reduce anxiety and help you to relax before an event.